In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pixar-style cartoon with Hailuo AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank page to a charming 3D Pixar-inspired image using simple prompts and a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the official Hailuo AI website. Using a modern browser helps everything run smoothly, and a stable internet connection will make the process faster. Once the page loads, you'll see the main landing area where Hailuo's creative tools live. Next, click on Hailuo Agent. This is the workspace where you give the AI your creative direction. Think of it as a friendly assistant that turns your idea into a polished, animated style image. When the agent opens, you'll see a text field waiting for your prompt and a clean canvas area where results will appear. Now, type in the prompt you want to create. This is the most important part because great prompts lead to great results. Be clear and specific about the subject, the mood, and the style. For a Pixar-style look, mention details like Pixar-style 3D cartoon, cinematic lighting, soft global illumination, and big expressive eyes. Describe your character or scene with concrete traits, age, clothing, setting, and emotion. Include visual cues such as camera angle, depth of field, color palette, and time of day. For example, Pixar-style 3D cartoon of a curious orange cat astronaut in a cozy spaceship cockpit, warm cinematic glow, soft rim light, shallow depth of field, high detail. Avoid using the names of copyrighted characters. Instead, describe your own original character and the vibe you're after. If your first idea feels too broad, add a sentence clarifying the composition, like close-up portrait or full-body shot in a city street at sunset. When your prompt feels solid, click on Create. Hailuo AI will start processing your request. During this time, it's best to leave the tab open and avoid clicking around too quickly so the generation can complete without interruption. Finally, wait for it to load. You'll see the canvas update once the image is ready. Load times can vary based on complexity and traffic, so give it a moment. When it appears, take a close look at the lighting, proportions, and expression to confirm it matches that playful, polished, Pixar-inspired feel you wanted. If the mood or angle isn't quite right, remember that small wording tweaks in your prompt, like changing the camera angle or lighting note, can make a big difference on your next creation. That's it. With a thoughtful prompt and a single click, Hailuo AI makes it easy to craft a Pixar-style cartoon that feels cinematic, colorful, and full of heart.